Hey, I am Raghunath Krishna and you're watching Elephany, where we draw and color 50 stylized elephants. In this video, we are going to draw and color Cubot. Cubot is a robotic elephant inspired by a cube. She is strong yet gentle. I am using angles instead of curves to draw this stylized elephant. I am drawing her almost like how we draw a box, but with slight curves. The trunk curves inside to form a loop. I am drawing her front leg now. Let us draw a line to show the ground. Let us now draw her legs. Let us give her a flat belly to make her look robotic, and the mouth to complete it. Let us give her an eye that resembles a camera. An ear that has corners and a tail. Let us now draw the legs on the far side. I am using turquoise blue to color Cubot. I am using slanting strokes of the same angle throughout. I am using dark green to color her eye. I am adding black to deepen the eye color. A dab of red to the corners of the eyes . And a bit to her mouth. A dash of turquoise to complete her mouth. With this, we have completed drawing and coloring Cubot. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button to get notifications on our future videos. Thanks for watching.